WeGotGuru welcomes you to our online Western vocal classes.
When I'm deep inside of me, don't be too concerned.
That will guide you in being a sound singer. From operatic to rock, blues and pop, etc., we have 14 seasoned vocal tutors who are certified to teach and mentor you.
'Cause you're the one that I depend upon. Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue.
Without his lifelong friend, Puff cannot be brave. So Puff, that mighty dragon, sadly slipped into his cave.
They prepare you under the Trinity College of London syllabus and under the ABRSM syllabus.
And frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Holland. Puff, the magic dragon, lived by the sea. And frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Holland.
With the wind in my face, you were my saving grace. And I looked into your eyes, you would tell me not to cry, but the tears of
This way, you improve your voice, range, posture and breath control drastically and meticulously, apart from giving exams, grade-wise and getting certified yourself.
like the halves of a broken heart. Your love will always leave a scar, no matter how far we are. We're 2 rounds apart, like the halves of a broken heart. Your love will always leave a scar.
There is peace in Christ. There is peace in Christ. When we loved in Him, to the seat of Galilee, to Jesus' name. Let the broken arms try the tear-filled eyes. When we lift the way He lives, there is peace in Christ.
La la la.
Nurturing the voice and taking care of it is a moral code our vocal tutors abide by.
Da 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 da
All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough.
If you'd like to do the same and become the singer you have dreamed of being,
Hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough. For me, never, never.
Because I'm happy and alone. If you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy and alone.
we at WeGotGuru extend our hands to reach out to all the aspiring singers out there to support and guide you.
That's what you wanna do.
Time so done. Before you wake up, I will be gone. No more sitting home alone and waiting for your.
If you'd like to do the same and become the singer you have dreamed of being, we at WeGotGuru extend our hands to reach out to all the aspiring singers out there to support and guide you.
Day, so hard in every way, it'll probably make you wanna go and grab yourself inside.
This provides a structure for the courses and top quality certification process. Do check our school and tutorial channel on YouTube by searching for WeGotGuru. For further enquiries, kindly WhatsApp us at 7829136615 or 97427 56834.